Oh, I'm sorry. It's funny.
What's on your butt, Stinker? Huh? What's back there on your butt? What's on your butt, huh?
He's starting to bite his hand.
It's a wrapper. Get on your butt.
Okay, if you're thinking about the internet or one of your feet. Really? You would also give up a bunch to the internet? Wouldn't you?
Can you go get me some batteries?
Can you get it?
Can you go get me some batteries? This battery's gonna die.
It's not that. It's not. It's right here.
He's like, are you gonna get it?
Okay, so today, instead of discussing the differences... Sorry I'm late, sweaty and out of breath. Somebody give me some coffee. Harvey, just sit down.
Why are you late?
All right.